Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this delayed video edit on CapCut PC. So select your video, go to effects and search for Doodle Diary. Select the effect and add it on top of your video. Turn off filters and texture and stickers. And the only thing you're going to focus on is the speed of the video. So here, as you can see, the lag is slower. And I think if you slide it to the right, it's a little bit faster, but it's still laggy. But let's just put it in the middle. And as you can see, you'll have a laggy video, like a delayed laggy video. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!